Today, Kentucky saw its biggest increase in confirmed COVID-19 cases. The governor announced 273 new cases were reported, which brings the total to nearly 3,000. There were also 4 new deaths reported, bringing that total to 148, and 32,319 people have been tested for the virus. While many are looking forward to starting the process of reopening, state leaders say we aren't quite there yet. LEX 18's Eleanor Buckley reports from Frankfort.
7 benchmarks have been laid out in order to reopen Kentucky's economy. And although that time hasn't come yet, when it does, it's important to remember that life will be pretty different when it does, at least for a period of time.
Without a vaccine or a proven significant treatment, as we are able to reopen things, then yes, it's going to require something that's going to look a lot different.
With our largest spike in positive COVID-19 tests today, it's hard to know when that day will come. Before it does, Kentucky has to have a downward slope in the number of cases for over 14 straight days. Commissioner of Kentucky's Department for Public Health, Dr. Stephen Stack, says they're working hard to reach the May 1st date of reopening the economy. But a downward slope is more important.
I know we all target a May 1 date that sort of got put out there. We're going to work real hard with all the healthcare community and others to try to make sure we can start to do phased steps as soon as are reasonably safe. But remember, we're going to have to keep looking for that rate of new cases to determine when we get to that first stage gate, that first benchmark, when it is reasonable to start taking some of those steps.
But when the economy does open, Governor Beshear says things will be different, including face masks.
We're going to go from encouraging people to wearing cloth masks to highly encouraging people to wear cloth masks. That can't necessarily stop you from getting it, but it does potentially reduce the spread from other people.
In Franklin County, Eleanor Buckley, LEX 18 News.